Good morning, students. Yeah, how are you? Are you fine? Yeah, I think so that you are super, right? Yeah. Today, in your physics, chapter named force and pressure. We will start today the chapter called force and pressure. Before going to this term, all of you know that what is force. Suppose if, take the example of this marker. This marker. This is the cap. Am I right? This is the marker and this is the cap. To join this all, what I am doing, I am applying force and making it to move inside it, right? Means what? Force. I am applying force. Means pushing this pen of the marker inside the cap, or else pushing this cap inside the pen of a marker, right? Means what? I am pushing. Yeah. Come on, let us take a live example. Live example of force. Say me, what is the live example of force? Of the door. How can, means when you will say it is a push or pull. If you take it out, means what? It is pull. If you push it inside, it is a push force. Means can I say that door is an example for push and pull both? Means you are applying some force to the door. How you are applying force to the door? It is in pull and push manner. Am I right? Yes, it is in pull and push manner. Some more example. Say me. Live examples. How? Sliding windows. Am I right? Sliding windows. Next. Many more examples are there where you push it or else pull it, right? Yeah, good. Just say, I will say you the small definition. Means can I say this definition of force has push or pull? Pushing or pulling. Pushing or pulling of an object is known as force. Am I right? Pushing or pulling of an object is known as force. So you understand the meaning term of force? Okay. Let us take some examples of a force. I am rubbing these live examples so you understood. So let us start with some of the examples. Actions like, say me, actions like what? Try to understand. Say me something. Actions like picking something up. Suppose I have dropped this down and picking it again up. We are applying some force. You are getting this? Yeah, this is picking. Picking something. Picking, opening. Suppose this, I have closed it. and I want to open, and what I am applying? I am applying some force to open. If this force is not in a correct manner, like if you are applying the force just little bit, can I open it? No. We have to apply the force as it needs to open a marker. Right? Means what? Can I say that actions like picking, opening, shutting, kicking, you are kicking a football, your live example of the games, right? Yeah, kicking, next, hitting, lifting, pushing, pulling, whatever it might be, actions like picking, opening, shutting, kicking, hitting, whatever it might be, pushing, pulling. This all relates to force. You have to apply some force so that you can open this cap or whatever you want to do. These type of activities, you have to apply the force. You can ask me, ma'am, why we have to need to learn about force and pressure? What is the difference between force and pressure? You understood till now? Why we should learn about force? Why science? Why pressure? Listen guys, force, without the study of force, you can't open a door. Means, in fact, you don't know about the force, you are opening a door. Means still, you are able to do this type of force in your daily life. Am I right? Means what? Unless until you know the meaning of a force, means you will say that, ma'am, we don't know the meaning of force, but still we are able to apply the force on a door and we can open it, or pushing or pulling, whatever it might be. But I am saying that to learn about the force, you can say that how the door has been opened, not how you are opening the door. How the door has been opened. You can say the difference between these two. You understand the difference between these two? I think so that you understood. So that's the main study of a force. Okay, come on. I will give you some of the examples. Live examples of force. Force. Basic examples. First one. Goalkeeper. Am I right? Goalkeeper saving a goal. Right? What is second one? A hockey player. A hockey player kicking. A hockey player kicking the ball. Am I right? A hockey player kicking a ball. So these are the live examples where you, for the playing side, where you are applying force. Small children also apply force in this type of games, right? Okay. Let us do some activity regarding this force. Let us do some activity. Just say me, it is a pull action or it is a push action, okay, or it is a lift action. Okay, I will give you first example, then I will ask you some of the questions and you have to say me what this means, right? My first one is moving a book. Moving a book which is placed on a table. Am I right? Okay. What is the action it is? It is a pull action? It is a pull action, or it is a push action, or it is a lift action? Same. We can either pull the book. Yes, it is a pull action. We can either push the book. Yes, it is a push option. We can either lift the book. Yeah. Means in this, I can use this three. Pull, push, and also the same as lift option. Right? Come on, do the activity. I will ask you 2 questions. Opening a drawer. Same with this answer. You have to do this. And the third one also. Opening or shutting a door. Just do this 2 option and say me it is a pull force, or it is a push, or it is a lift one. You have to do this. I am giving you 1 minute of time to do that. Yeah, do ma fast. Yeah, I hope you will do this. I'm rubbing it right now. So, what can you say that? What is force? It is a pull and push of any object. It is a pull and push of any object. It is known as force. Am I right? Now, means according to the science, force definition is pull or push of any of any object. Am I right? Okay, good. You understood the meaning of now force. Now say me, force is due to interactions. What is force is due to interactions? Yeah. Have you seen a cow and a man? The man tied the rope to the cow neck, and he is what? He is pushing the cow or pulling the cow. Either he will push the cow towards that side, either with that help of a rope he will pull the cow. Right? Means what? Means what? The interaction of force is between what? That man and the cow. Cow in the sense that rope, right? Means what? You are tying a rope to the cow's neck and you want to pull the cow towards the garden or whatever it might be. Means what? You are pulling that cow towards something. Means you are applying. Pulling means what? As I already said, you did pull or push, whatever it might be, it's a force. Pulling means what? It's a force. Means what? You are applying that force to the cow to come to the garden, right? Means it is the force due to interaction. Means it is the force due to interaction between these two members, right? Yeah. Say, give me some examples of this. Like before you used to play, like before, not to this time also you are playing only, I think so. Like in your home, you two members, you will start tying the butterfly position, and you will start opposite members. Means me and my friend, suppose we are playing like this, and I ask her shake hand this type and this type also, and we start rounding, right? What is that called as? Means the force of attraction. Force, we are applying the force towards together and we are making rounds faster and faster. Yeah? Means what? Force is due to attraction between two girls who are playing that butterfly positions of rounding, right? Next, semi. Now, suppose a object called car. Suppose we are taking car and a man. Suddenly, if the car stops, what the other car member, what he do? One will start steering and the other will push from the back side. Am I right? Sometimes, if you want to start a car, we will push from the back side. Am I right? So, that force of attraction, this force of attraction between the car and the man who is pushing from the back side to start a car. Okay. Hope you understood what is the meaning of force due to attractions, right? The means man and a cow, that rope will have the attraction, and the second and third example. Okay. Now you understood what is force and what is the force due to attraction, these two. Now I want to say you about exploring of forces. What is exploring of forces? Till now you have studied what is force, and till now you study what is force due to attractions. Okay. Now I want to say that exploring force. What is meant by exploring? Yeah. You understood the tug of war? Everyone know the tug of war game? I know that. You all know. Who wins in that game? Who will apply more force? They will win this game. Am I right? Yeah. Who will apply the force? More force. They will win this game. Tug of war. If suppose both are applying same force, what happens? Think and say me what happens. What happened? What will happen? No one will win, right? No one wins. They are equal. They are applying the force equal in direction, right? Okay, means you are applying the strength. Okay, these are the exploring of forces. Okay, I will say you what is. I have already said you what is force, what is interaction between the forces, and also what is exploring forces. Am I right? Yeah. Just listen this term. Forces applied equal on both sides. If the force are equal on both sides, as in the tug of war game, then forces applied equal on both sides, then the resultant force, then the resultant one will be equal to sunna, 0. Okay, am I right? Okay. equal sides if two forces act opposite sides, then the opposite sides, what is the resultant force then? What is the resultant force? It is the difference? Yes, it is the difference between the two forces. Difference between the two forces. You understood what is the contact forces, means what interaction between the two forces, what are non-contact forces, and what are exploring of forces, what is a force. So this what I have covered everything according to the force. Force means push or pull of any object. I have said you about the exploring of forces. I have said you about the force due to the interaction. I have said you about the force examples with the contact forces and non-contact forces, and also where if we apply a tug of war in exploring of forces in the same direction of force, what happens? The resultant will become 0. If you take the difference also, it will become 0. And if the difference, if you find out the net difference, want to find out the net difference between two opposite sides of a force, then you have to do the difference between the two forces. Means you understood what is the meaning of force here. Yeah. In our next class, we will start about result. Okay? Thank you.